I decided to just walk around and look for something interesting to share. That's usually the best part of these exhibitions anyway. You can go there expecting one thing and then end up with something completely different, something exciting. One of the more interesting stops was A+ and their Blast series for the printers. Hello?
Hi, Danny. Good to see you again.
We met the last year, and you were in the Shenzhen, and this year you have more printers, you have more space in your booth, and much bigger printer. Can you tell us more about what you do and what is different this year?
Actually, time flies. 6 months later, we shoot something different. Based on the Blast 2 standard product, we launched our new version. We call it the Blast 2 Special Edition, only focused on the Chinese market. You know, with economy status changes, we find in China, they need more cost competitive products. So based on the standard of Blast 2, we just delete the different certifications, which China market do not need. We came out our totally new machines. We call it Blast 2 Special Edition. Same motion system, same print capacity, same support, materials, support portfolio, but all in cost effective.
Only SE is slightly cheaper?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And do you sell them or do you provide for the printing services? How does it work?
Yeah, normally this product only focus on the printing bureau market.
How does it work in general, if simplified?
They are printing bureau.
Okay.
They buy our Blast 2 SE version.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
So
the first the printing bureau partner, we call it the Blast Asia print platform. They buy roughly around the 40 Blast 2 SE. And the second partner, they buy
40. Oh, wow, that's a lot.
And the second, the printing bureau.
So you're telling me that somewhere in eastern China, there are 40 of these machines.
South China, 40.
South.
Yeah, East China is 100.
Wow, that's crazy. Yes. This is quite impressive. I mean, these parts are hard to print on a conventional 3D printer. They are large.
Yeah.
And these are looking as composite infused filaments, right?
Yeah.
Are these PETG or ABS? What are these?
Actually, we support from the PPS, high temperature nylon, PET, ABS, ASA, and overall some ESDCF, all of those materials.
Why I'm asking that is because it's easier to print low melting filaments and make them warp free like PETG and PLA, but these are not.
Yeah.
These are not PETG and PLA, right?
Yeah.
So this is quite heavy. What is it?
This is the PPS CF.
Okay, that's quite a large part relatively.
Yeah.
And it's completely flat.
Yeah.
It didn't warp at all.
Yeah.
So that's what you do basically, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can we talk about this one?
Oh yeah. This is our newly invented product, Blast X. The print size is 1 meter by 1.2 meters. So far, it's the biggest FDM machine in the world. And the print capacity roughly around 1 day is above the 6 kilograms for 1 day, based on the 0.6 loaders. And we support nearly all the blastmates, the high throughput, the product portfolios, from the PPS to high temperature nylon and the PET, ABS, and ASA. Normally, this product, we focus on the aerospace, auto, post-market, and some military applications.
You know, it's very hard to show actual scale of the thing, and now I'm going to try to do that. You see? You can actually sit inside. It's so big. It's just enormous. After the interview, I had about a 20-minute conversation with Tommy about how they reduce warping on prints this large. It was a bit too detailed to put into the main video, but in general their approach is pretty serious. They have a partnership with Polymaker to develop custom filaments for their use cases. They split the filament into 3 separate flows and combine them again inside the nozzle. And they also develop their own path planning, plus temperature and coordinate compensation for warping, shrinkage, on top of open source slicers. That's a lot of engineering. What also surprised me is how fast they moved. In about 6 months, they already released a refined model of Blast 2, equipped with a print farm with around 40 of them, and brought this huge printer to the exhibition. There were a few large format printers at the show, but many of them were still smaller than the Blast X. I tried to get a few more interviews in that area, but it was a bit strange. Some companies had the attitude of, please contact our marketing team by email, which feels a little weird for an international exhibition where the machines are already on public display.